It's cool. Top Gun. Also a U.S. Navy Blue Angel pilot. Now, this is a very interesting item. I'm really surprised that you own this. Documents that say that you can have this.
Well, what you do with that says
You know, I almost didn't believe Rick when he called me. It's actually an AIM-9 heat seeker head. They showed me documents and paperwork, so if they're legal to own it, it's very rare to have that outside of a military base, let alone in a pawn shop.
So how exactly did these work?
Take off this dome, there would be another recovery air that would actually spin, and behind that, actually, the filter would be able to this was leading technology. So we went from shooting bullets, either the 50 millimeter or the 20 cal, and then we expanded it to missiles. So instead of shooting, we can now shoot out to a mile, mile and a half. So obviously that national security is a big issue nowadays. Back in the 1960s, actually, this missile was compromised. Off a German base, an AIM-9 went missing. So that was gone by the late 1960s.
So you're not like a Russian spy or anything, are you?
Yeah.
Okay. So is there any collector value for this thing?
It's in good shape. On a 1 to 10 scale, as a fighter pilot, it's really nothing. I'll be honest with you. On it, an aviation museum, aviation nut, heck, I'd like to have one at home. So,
All right. I appreciate you coming back.
you can see, as a fighter pilot who has fired the AIM-9 missile, it's exciting to see this. If you find a person that really is into it, perhaps an old Vietnam F-4 pilot, or somebody like myself, that could be a perfect item for him.
So how much were you going to get on this?
About $3,000?
No. I just don't know what to say. I'm thinking $500, and maybe I can do something with it. Maybe I can't. I don't know. It's a real shot in the dark at $500.
You don't think this is worth more money than $500?
I think it's a neat piece of history, but it's an antiquated thing that's going to sit.
So $750
I think we had a scrape or something.